And now let's put it all together and see how do I really perform the analysis. And first I have to query the data, and there are two Excel workbooks there. One that is named No Waves, doesn't perform any wave analysis, and the other does perform the wave analysis. And the reason is that some areas of the globe are not covered by the wave model, so I can't have wave data for everywhere. And let's query the Cape Town, South Africa data. And the important thing is to select the right data here on the V's. So I select wind, wind direction, no waves, no wave direction, and no waves period. Then temperature, precipitation, and clouds. And I want to query the data for August 2013, 15, which is a nice time for sailing events. And now after I queried it, I can copy only the data from the second line, dates and perspective data, all of the data table for the dates range I wanted. I copy it, then I go to Excel, again run no waves, and paste special. I go to cell number A3, right click, paste special, and paste as text. As you can see, the data range is covered. This is only the data. And now the analysis. I have wind velocity analysis. This is how many occurrences of 3-hour period in this date range we had of wind 0 to 5.4 knots. The numbers change according to the data. And how many occurrences on this wind range, etc. And the other plot here is the X is the average, the line is the median, no matter what is the typical wind for every time of day. And as you can see, in Cape Town we have some daily signal, meaning the strongest wind is usually at about 5 in the afternoon. So that's for wind velocity. And another analysis is for wind direction. As you can see, usually the wind comes from the south-southeast in varying velocities. Oh, that's number of occurrences. It's coming from the south-southeast or north-northwest. And another analysis is for the air temperature, very much like the wind velocity analysis. That's temperature and how often do we see this kind of temperature. And below here is another plot of temperature by time of day. This is the no waves analysis. Just for the practice, let's add the waves in. Again, copy only the data and all of the data, copy it, then go to this sheet and at A3 paste special as text. This is my data, and this is all pretty much the same. The only thing that it changed is I have also this worksheet, and this is the frequency of varying wave heights. As you can see, Cape Town is wavy. And there's also another type of analysis for the wave period. We won't go into it. To get better analysis, you can do the analysis for a few years. Let's say now I'll get the 2014 analysis and add it below the 2015 analysis. You go again to the data and paste the 2014 below 2015, and there must be some changes, and the data is we have more data and the analysis is more accurate. This is it, finished.